everyone, good to have you here. Today I want to show you the oldest item in my kitchen. The oldest item and the oldest appliance. Alright, that is it. Marlex. I have Marlex Blender. I've had this blender for 12 years and I've not had any issue other than changing the one at the bottom. It's very good. It's a good blender. For those of you that know me as a mama coconut oil, carrot oil and the rest of it, this is what I use to blend. This is machine. When you are looking for machine, this is machine, Marlex. There's the big one for you to blend your pepper, when you want to make soup, you use this one. When you want to make just stew, you use this one. Yoruba will say osha tabi or something, I've forgotten sha. Or weata, yes, or weata. This is what I use. And then for dry items, I have this one, the small one. Can you see? I use this one for melon. I use it for crayfish. See my crayfish. Anytime I go to the market like that, I buy my crayfish. I come home, remove all the dirt and then start blending. This is what I use to blend it, and it doesn't take time. Don't look at it that it's very small. It doesn't take time. Marlex Blender is one of the best, and in short, it's the best. You need it for all your cooking, your blending, your grinding. You need this Marlex. Then the second item I have in my kitchen that is the oldest is this. Can you see? Can you see? This pressure cooker. I don't even know. This is a professional cookware. This pressure cooker, I've had it for 12 years also, and it's still working. Now, initially I used it to boil my beans, but now I just use it for goat meat. Goat meat is stubborn. Goat meat is stubborn, so I use it to boil my goat meat, and it has been working effectively for me, so I'm still enjoying it. It has a sieving side. It has one tiny something here, that used to bubble anytime the food is cooking. It will be bubbling here. So this are the oldest item in my kitchen. Good to have you. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.